Alright, time for an update on the trailer. My new train room. Torn a lot apart, and unfortunately ran into a lot more issues than I thought I would. I was expecting a lot, but I saw more. So, check this out. Somebody had been here before me. They replaced the floor. You can see the brown painted wood. But look right there. I pushed down the linoleum, and it went right through. So check this out. Look at the wall. The whole thing moves. So unfortunately I've got to fix all that. By the looks of things, probably all the way around. But got quite a bit torn out. You can see it's a metal roof. A couple spots in it that somebody's already fixed. There's no framing in the walls. Well, almost none. A little bit around the windows. And you can see the screws down at the very, very bottom. And about 16 to 18 inches up. That was the only framing that was in here. You can see a little piece left right there. These walls, that's how they're constructed. It's just foam. And it's actually quite sturdy, which is really surprising as to why there's no framework in here. But I got the sink, the cabinets, stove, all that taken out of here. So unfortunately what I think I'm going to have to do is take a brace all the way from the ground all the way up to the seam right there, bring it all the way across to the ceiling joist here, take all this out and do the same thing on this side all the way down, because water damage there too. See that? So that way I can support the shell, which seems to be held together really well, and then I can pull this floor up here and replace it. That's where I'm at.